guys and gals, let's build an arcade machine that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x2 plate. I'm going to take a set of upwards 1x2 by 2x2 angular plates, place these as shown, and then I'm going to take a 1x2 by 2/3 slope, place that right there. Next we're going to take a 1x2 rocker bearing and a 2x2 rocking bearing plate, place it as shown, and I'm going to place this right in this 1x2 reveal. You're going to have to wiggle that in there. Place that in. Then I'm going to take a set of 1x1 plates with top holder. This is going to be used to attach a monitor we're going to be assembling in a moment or two. Then I'm going to take a set of rounded 1x2 plates, place these on top of one another. I'm going to take a 1x1 round flat tile that's going to be a button and a microphone. Place this here for a joystick, or if you want you can use it to talk to the arcade machine. Place that right there. Now we're going to take a 1x2 plate with stick. I'm going to take this mat piece on a 2x2 flat tile. We're going to set this right inside the holders as shown for the screen. Now I want to take a 2x6 flat tile and a set of 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plates. Place these right here. Take this assembly and place this right here. I'm just going to attach it along this side. Don't worry about the back right now. Then we're going to take another 2x6 flat tile and another set of 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plates. Place these as shown. We're going to put this on the right hand side like a little clamshell. Now we can just tip our monitor inside. Now we're going to complete the top with a 1x2 rocker bearing base and a 2x2 rocker bearing plate. Place it as shown. On these bottom studs, a 1x2 by 2/3 slope, and on the top, a 1x2 by 2/3 slope. You could use this to put a label on if you choose. And I'm going to place this right in this area. And we're just going to rotate this down here so everything is set up nice to complete our arcade game.